Good morning, everyone. My name is Adnan Ahmed. My student ID is 2510637175. Department of Banking and Insurance, University of Rajshahi. Today I am going to present a case study on Samsung Galaxy Note 7, one of the most well-known quality control failures in business history. Samsung launched the Galaxy Note 7 in August 2016 as its premium flagship smartphone. It had advanced features, a stylish design, and received excellent early reviews. However, within weeks, users started reporting that the phone battery was overheated, catching fire, and even exploding. This accident became a major global crisis and clearly demonstrated the importance of the controlling function in management, especially quality control. Next slide. The problem. The main issue was a failure in quality control. Samsung wanted to launch the Note 7 quickly to compete with Apple's iPhone. Because of this pressure, the company did not identify critical battery defect before releasing the product. The lithium-ion battery had an manufacturing and design problem. As a result, many phones overheated and caught fire during charging or normal use. Samsung first announced global recall and replaced the affected phones. Unfortunately, even some replacement device mm, has the same problem. The showed that the company's quality inspection process was not effective enough. Impact. The consequence was extremely serious. Samsung recalled millions of Galaxy Note 7 devices from around the world. Many airlines banned passengers from carrying or using the phone because it was considered a fire hazard. The company suffered financial losses of more than 5 billion US dollars due to resales, refund, and discontinued production. Most importantly, Samsung brand reputation and customers' trust were significantly damaged. Eventually, Samsung permanently discontinued the Galaxy Note 7. This incident became one of the biggest product failure in the technology industry. Solution and lesson learned. After the crisis, Samsung took several important corrective actions. First, it permanently stopped the production of Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Second, Samsung Industries and B-point battery safety inspection system to ensure every battery met strict quality standards before reaching customers. The company also involved supplier management and increased transparency by publicly explaining and cause of the problem.
এত স্লাইড হবে 3 মিনিটে তুই 7টা স্লাইড দিছিস
7টা না 5টা
কয়টা মোট কয়টা
5টা প্রশ্ন শেষ
হবে
হয়ে যাবে 5 মিনিটে
দ্রুত বল
Solution and lesson learning. After the crisis, Samsung took several important corrective actions. Mama কাঁপতেছে ফোন কাঁপতেছে মামা
নিচে নাম
আবাস না Yes sir.
ঠিক আছে
Solution and lesson learned. After the crisis, Samsung took several important corrective actions. First, it permanently stopped the production of Galaxy Note 7. Second, Samsung introduced an B-point battery safety inspection system to ensure every battery met strict quality standards before reaching customers. The company also improved supplier management, product testing, and increased transparency by by publicly explaining the cases of the problem. These improvements help Samsung restore customer confidence and prevent similar issue in future productions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 case teaches us that effective controlling is essential for every business. No matter how innovative or popular a product, poor quality control can lead to financial losses, legal issues, and damage to companies' reputation. This case reminds us that maintaining high quality standards is not just an option, it is a necessary for long term business success. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, done.